guys, it's Kadir. Welcome back to my channel. And today is night time. You can see to our country. And we are playing Toka Boka. Okay. Yay. You see my sing-sing? It's Hello Kitty. Tama ako. Oh, hindi ako naniniwala hindi naniniwala si Francesca o si Cheska. Yun may sing-sing ako. Baka nakita na nila. Naniniwala sila meron ako. Kasi nakita na nila yung sing-sing ko. Binaraw ko sa kanila. Binigay ko sa nila. Binaraw lang nila. This is my house. And you can see Kuromi stuff. Kali, give me the lagayan. You can see I will bring you some sticker. Come to Philippines and my address is 113. And I will bring you some sticker. If my kaklase yun, hindi ko best friend, hindi ko bibigay ng maglaro na lang tayong guys ng Roblox. You like my this? Because it's special. I have Among Us. Let me show you my laro. Have so many. He has Ryan's World. Post mo lang to. And Habs. And let's go play now. I'm very sipon. If you're wag mo na. Wag. Kali, wag. Asan yung deleting? Sorry guys. Sorry guys, nagsupport ako. Guys. Bye-bye. Kali pa abot niya ng ng pamunas ko. Akin na muna to. My skin is bright. Guys, ito. Ang Kuromi ko because I'm obsessed with Kuromi. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Caloocan City ako. Bye. Stay peace and we're out.